Hi, I'm Dr. James Hayes, and welcome to Healthy Pet Show on Old Fashioned Health Network. Today we're here at West End Animal Wellness Center with Dr. Ashley Herbert, and today we're going to talk to you about what really goes on behind the scenes when you bring your healthy pet to the vet, and why it's important to bring your healthy pet to the vet. So now we're in the treatment area of the hospital, and we're going to talk with Dr. Herbert about what goes on behind the scenes when you bring your healthy pet in for a visit.
So when you bring your healthy pet in for a visit, the doctor will do a full physical exam. And what that entails is that we listen to the heart and lungs, we check out all of the body systems to make sure that your pet is healthy. What we're looking for is small or subtle changes in their physical exam to determine whether or not they need further testing like lab screening or x-rays to get them and keep them healthy. During your pet's physical exam, the doctor will also discuss with you some regular tests that we like to do to determine whether or not your pet has some of the conditions that you can't see, like heartworm disease or intestinal parasites.
And actually that brings us to a good point. There are a lot of preventative medicines out there that can help prevent these diseases. Heartworm prevention, flea and tick prevention, and a lot of us don't know that there's a lot of diseases that our pets can harbor that can be transmitted to us as well. And so by preventing these diseases with our pets, we also safeguard our own health. And so when you talk to your veterinarian about what your options are, there's so many out there. So how do you determine, Dr. Herbert, what is the best preventative protocol for a specific pet?
And that's a great question, and your veterinarian will do that with you. They'll go through that with you. So some of the things that we look at to determine whether or not a pet should get one preventative over the others, we look at lifestyle, we look at location. Some of the heartworm preventatives, for instance, cover certain intestinal parasites that the other ones don't cover. Sometimes some pets maybe don't like the taste of heartworm medication, so there is an injectable form that will keep your pet healthy or heartworm free for 6 months. We also look at fleas and ticks. We look at, again, location is a big one. You know, is your pet in danger of getting ticks as well as fleas, or is it just fleas that we're worried about? And now there are some combination products that do both heartworm and flea prevention. So a lot of that is just going to be determined by the physical exam, by the health history, and dependent upon what the client wants and what the veterinarian is comfortable with.
Exactly. And just like with us, it's important that your pets see their veterinarian at least once a year or more often if they have underlying medical conditions. Remember, you play a vital role in the care of your pet. Together with your veterinarian, we can help keep your pet a healthy pet.